Hi guys, welcome back. Got a different video for you today. Got a bit of a problem here with these old posts. This was part of a horse arena which was on our property, which is the posts have pretty much had it, and they are loose, but they're very difficult to get out of the ground. I managed to pull some out by hand, but extremely difficult to pull them up. So even though they are quite loose, as you can see, this post here is actually fairly loose. It actually goes down a fair way, so certainly really difficult to pull them out. So I decided to make a nice little post lifter just to make my life easier. So what I did was I got my straight edge, which is a 90 by 45 aluminium box section straight edge. I found an old broken post top that I cut this V into, or this notch, and that is where my box section goes into. So slightly bigger so it doesn't jam up and get tight. I've got an old piece of 4x2 there that I've drilled a hole and I've countersunk it, and I've got a 125mm batten screw and obviously my driver to screw that into the post to help me lift it. So what I'll do is I'll just give the phone to my good lady and we'll show you how this works. Rightio, so what we want to do is try and get this as low as possible, and we just screw that in nice and tight. Get my lifting block, which I probably put around about 250 away from the post, or not too close but not too far away, so I've got plenty of leverage. Slot my wedge in there, put it under my block, and jiggling and pulling at the same time, we lift the post out. So that's a pretty basic, cheap and easy post lifter if you guys are keen to make one. So thanks for watching guys, and we'll see you on the next one. Cheers.